to be jolly with Christmas just around the corner. Everyone is feeling love and giving love. Come with us as we jingle our way into the festive season with bright young chefs. Hi, how are you? Good, thanks to yourself. I'm great. Now we saw you interacting with the kids. Very amazing.
My name.
Please tell me, how did you come up with this bright idea? Okay, so I have a passion for cooking and baking. Also have a passion for kids. I've got a 8-year-old daughter and a 5-year-old son, and they love being in the kitchen. They love being involved in crafts.
Bright Young Chefs is where kids learn to enjoy and have fun.
I love Bright Young Chefs because it's a place where kids can learn how to cook and just have fun with each other. I love Bright Young Chefs because it's really fun here and we learn how to do stuff. I actually make the stuff that they make at home, but I discovered new ways here to make stuff, like to make a new snow globe, and it was really fun here. I love Bright Young Chefs.
Me and a girl.
I love Young Chefs because it's such a wonderful place to learn how to bake and have fun.
Hi, Lovey. Do you love arts and crafts?
Yes, I do.
And how old are you?
6.
Really? Oh, that's so cute. So what did you do today?
I made a snow globe today.
Did you enjoy yourself? Get your Christmas decorations ready. Young Bright Chefs showed you how. This is Joburgtv. I am Randburg. We out.